Welcome to this video review of the Qubo 16, a smart plug. We'll explore how this device can help you power and manage your heavy-duty home appliances. Heavy appliances require higher power capacity. While standard 10-amp plugs are designed for lighter devices, the Qubo 16A plug handles up to 3,500 watts, making it ideal for air conditioners, geysers, and EV chargers. Here are the exact technical specifications. The plug is rated for 16 amps and 250 volts. It is built from white polycarbonate plastic, weighs 120 grams, and features a compact design. This smart plug is specifically designed to control high-draw equipment, including water pumps, air conditioners, water geysers, and EV charging stations. Pairing is simplified using Bluetooth. Your phone connects to the plug via Bluetooth to transfer Wi-Fi credentials, allowing the device to operate on a 2.4 GHz network. The Qubo app provides tools to monitor your energy usage in real time, aggregate historical data, and help you identify patterns in your heavy power consumption. You can use automation to prevent accidental energy waste. For example, you can set a schedule to turn your geyser on for a specific time and have it cut power automatically. The device integrates with voice assistants. It supports commands for Alexa devices and can be controlled via Google Assistant. Safety is a priority, with built-in protections including fire-retardant material, thermal protection to prevent overheating, and overload protection during power spikes. The hubless design simplifies installation. The plug connects directly to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router, eliminating the need for an additional smart home hub. Looking at customer feedback, the device holds a 3.9-star rating. Users appreciate the easy setup and schedule accuracy, though some note potential Wi-Fi stability issues. The Qubo 16A plug is currently priced at 849 rupees, offering a significant discount from its MRP. It also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Beyond convenience, the plug acts as a financial tool. By combining load control and energy monitoring, it helps you manage electricity costs efficiently. You can upgrade your home today with this plug, which features a secure transaction process and a 10-day replacement policy through Amazon.